Now, equation of motion by graphical method. Basically, we have three equation of motion. So, to find the equation of motion by graphical method, first I have to draw graph, which is velocity versus time. So, our graph is from here. It is not from zero. It's from in this direction, from this. So, this is our initial velocity and this is our final velocity, right? This is O and right. So A, B, C, D and E. So these are points. Now we want to find acceleration from this graph. So to find acceleration, we know that acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time interval from this graph. Change in velocity. So final velocity minus initial velocity. So final velocity at A minus initial velocity at E upon time interval t minus 0. So final velocity V minus U upon t. So if we subject t cross multiply, so AT is equal to V minus U. So V is equal to U plus AT. This is our first equation of motion, right? So that is our first equation of motion. Now we are moving on to second equation of motion. So to find second equation of motion, this is velocity time, right? If I want to find distance during this whole time interval, so to find distance, s is equal to, now from velocity time graph we have to find whole area of that particular time interval. So s is equal to first area triangular ABE area plus second area rectangle EBCD, right? So first triangle AB half into AB into EB plus here ED into DC. So half into AB. What is AB? AB is nothing but V minus U into EB. What is EB? EB is from here to here. It is T minus 0. So T plus ED. Again ED here. So ED here U minus 0 into DC. DC here again T minus 0. So half V minus U into T. Right? So V minus U from here I can write V minus U instead of I can write AT instead of V minus U here. So half AT into T plus U into T. So that means UT plus half AT square. So that is our second equation of motion, right? And now for the third one. Now for third, again we can find distance by the other formula, and s is equal to find the trapezium of graph. So trapezium of graph, see that formula is DE plus AC into DC by 2. So DE plus AC into DC by 2. DE, what is DE? U minus 0 plus AC. What is AC? AC means V minus 0 into DC. DC means T minus 0. So upon by 2. So we are left with U, then plus V into T by 2. So that is our S. Now S is equal to U plus V by 2. Now T formula. T formula we have to take from here. This is nothing but A. If I subject T, then our equation should be V minus U upon A. So S is equal to here. Now U plus V, V minus U, that means V square minus U square upon 2A, right? So V square minus U square upon 2A. So that formula becomes now 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. So this is our nothing but third equation of motion. So by graphical method, we can derive three different equation of motion, first, second and third. So there are actually two methods, graphical method and mathematical method. Here we have derived by graphical method. So these are the equation of motions.